Hey guys, I thought I'd do a little something different today. I got a little product review. I'm a big Meguiar's guy. I love their waxes, and I've had really good luck uh, with everything that I've used of theirs. Uh, in Canada, we just got the ultimate wheel cleaner, and it works awesome. So for me, I haven't ceramic coated my wheels yet, and that's my next project that I'm going to be doing. But before I can do that, I have to clean them up. So right now, I have a lot of brake dust on my wheels, and this stuff here is very similar to Iron X. So in the fact that when you spray it on and you allow it to sit there for a little bit, it actually bleeds red, or actually purple in this case. So you can see that it's actually penetrating the iron particles and actually allowing them to be cleaned off the wheel. So anyways, here's the wheel now. I have a light on it, so hopefully it's not super bright for you guys. But you can see, especially down here in these corners, I got an excessive buildup of brake dust. And anyways, I'm hoping that with a layer of ceramic coating on it, that I'll be able to prevent that from sticking as bad as what it is. Now, ceramic coating isn't bulletproof. You're still going to get scratches if you don't treat it properly. It's still going to allow dust and dirt to sit on your vehicle. It's not a miracle product. It is a product that you still have to clean your vehicle. However, it makes it a little easier to clean. So scratches, you're still going to get scratches. Doesn't matter what vehicle you have. If you're touching it with a mitt, you're going to get scratches, even with a ceramic coating. So what I've been told with the ceramic coating that I have is that clean it off, soap it, use a very, very mild degreaser on it, so that way stuff will come off, and then air dry it is your best bet. Then you're not touching it with a mitt, you're not exposing it to scratch prone products like your mitt or your washcloth or anything like that. Now, with that being said, you're going to wash it. In some spots it might still stay, so you're going to have to maybe hit that with a mitt lightly. It's gonna still protect you significantly better than if you didn't have a ceramic coating on your vehicle. But anyways, that's enough about ceramic. We'll talk about that when we're actually doing the wheels. Anyways, I'm gonna break these wheels off, get the wheel outside, and get it all prepped up and ready to go. And we'll see you guys outside. Okay guys, so the wheel's off the car. We've got our ultimate wheel cleaner there. You can see that there's a significant amount of brake dust buildup on the inside of the wheel. It's actually quite bad. So let's go ahead and get this on there, and I'll show you guys what it does. So it says on the bottle to be very generous with the amount that you're putting on, which makes sense. You want it to be quite thick on there, and you want it to eat away at all this. And it says allow it to sit for 2 to 4 minutes. Sorry, you guys just fell. Okay, so we'll get you guys in a little bit of sunlight. Like you guys can see, it's turning purple right away. So there's lots of little dust particles, mainly from those brake pads, all over my wheel. The front, not so bad. I usually keep the fronts pretty clean, but the inside it's a little harder to do. So that's why we're doing this before we do the ceramic coating on them. So we'll let that sit there for a couple of minutes, and then we'll get it all washed off. But like I was saying with the Iron X isn't readily available for me. So for me to order that, I'm looking at something from Amazon, and it's about 40 bucks a bottle for me. So this stuff here, I picked it up at the local Canadian Tire, and for 3 bottles of it, because I wanted to give my buddy Mike one, so that way he could try it too. 3 bottles was $54 or something like that after taxes. So there is a significant cost savings compared to the Iron X brand name stuff, but you get what you pay for too. This isn't quite as good, but for something that's readily available for me, this will be the stuff that I'll be using from now on. And I've got the truck that I have to get all prepped up for winter with ceramic coating and all that on it too. So anyways, it does do a really good job. After we've let it sit for the couple of minutes, I'm gonna have to hit it with a lot of water and get it all prepped up, cleaned up, and it won't take everything off just by allowing it to hit it with water. So I'm gonna need a rag, just anything, nothing fancy, microfiber rag, and wipe it off, anything that doesn't come off easily. So you can kind of see it. It goes quite purple. It does a really good job. Anyways, let's hit it with some water. That should be a couple of minutes now. We'll hit it with some water and get it cleaned up, and I'll show you what it looks like after. Okay, so we've got the wheel cleaner off, and as you can tell, it's still fairly dirty in there. But now when I hit it with a cloth, that's all going to wipe right out. It's a hell of a lot less work now than compared to if I had just tried to clean it with really soap and water. So anyways, this is the ultimate wheel cleaner from Meguiar's. It's definitely something worth picking up if you're looking at doing ceramic coating. Like the Iron X stuff, you can spray this right on paint, so you can watch if there's any iron brake dust that's managed to get onto your paint. You can just do the same thing. It's safe, so you don't have to worry about damaging your clear coat. And yeah, so that's the wheels of my Viper, and done with Meguiar's Ultimate Wheel Cleaner. Hope this helps you guys out on picking a product that you guys will like as much as what I like this. And yeah, we'll see you on the next one.